बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है तहसीलदार के जो पेपर होने वाला है 16 स्केल्स का, उसके बहुत ज़्यादा अहम क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करना। चलते हैं हम पहले क्वेश्चन की जानिब। क्वेश्चन नंबर, क्लैश ऑफ सिविलाइजेशंस इज रिटन बाय सैमुअल हंटिंगटन। War and Peace is written by Leo Tolstoy. Pride and Prejudice is written by Jane Austen. India Wins Freedom is written by Abdul Kalam Azad, who was the chief leader of Zamindar Maulana Zafar Ali Khan. Simon Commission held in 1927. Who was the Viceroy in 1927? Then was Lord Irwin was the Viceroy. First Viceroy of the subcontinent was Lord Canning. Last Viceroy of subcontinent was Lord Mountbatten. Barack Obama was born in Hawaii and now he belongs to Illinois. When WTO formed 1995. Stainless steel is the alloy of iron, chromium and nickel. How many colors are there in spectrum? 7 colors are there in spectrum. Which player has highest score in Test cricket? Sachin Tendulkar has highest score in Test cricket. NATO stands for North Atlantic Treaty Organization. Where is the greatest and longest wall of Earth? In China. Where is Leaning Tower of Pisa? Leaning Tower of Pisa is in Italy. Who presented theory of relativity? Einstein. आंसर है आइंस्टाइन ने relativity की थ्योरी को प्रेजेंट किया था। When Dr. Abdul Salam received Nobel Prize? डॉक्टर अब्दुल सलाम ने कब नोबेल प्राइज को हासिल किया था? वो किया था in 1979 में। पेंसिलिन was discovered by, पेंसिलिन को डिस्कवर किया था, इजाद किया था फ्लेमिंग ने। What is the actual time of rotation of Earth? 23 hours 56 minutes and 4 seconds. Olympics 2000 took place in which city? In Sydney. Who was the first president of Muslim League? मुस्लिम लीग के जो पहले प्रेसिडेंट थे सर आगा खान। Who is the president of India? Pratibha Patel. Ban Ki-moon belongs to which country? In South Korea. Brief History of Time is written by Stephen Hawking. What is black hole? Black hole, hypothetical region in space. Which are the two gases that we exhale more than we inhale? Answer D is correct है, oxygen and carbon. What is agoraphobia? Agoraphobia is fear of open places, public places. Prime Minister of UK is? How many members are there in EU? 27. OIC came into existence in 1969. How many states are there in USA? USA में कितने states हैं? 50 states हैं। SAARC headquarters in Kathmandu. Friends Not Masters is written by General Ayub Khan. Next है total members of Commonwealth. Total members of Commonwealth are 53. In 1946, who presented Poor Man's Budget? Liaquat Ali Khan presented Poor Man's Budget. Allama Iqbal delivered Khutbah Allahabad on October 1930. UNO established on 24th October 1945. Where is the headquarters of International Court of Justice? Is in Hague. Hijrat Medina was took place in 622 Anno Domini. Total number of Ghazwat 27. Surat without Bismillah is Surat Tawbah. Anarkali is written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. Raja Gid is written by Banu Qudsiya. How many lines are there in Musaddas? 6 lines. Shikwa, Iqbal's famous poem, is in which book? Is in Bange Dara. Hajj performed by Holy Prophet on 10th Zilhaj. 10 Zilhaj को हज मनाई जाती है. शाहनामा इस्लाम is written by हाफिज जलंधरी. इन सारे उर्दू की जो बुक्स हैं और उनके ऑथर्स हैं उनका मैं लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देता हूं, वहां से आप इनकी बहुत अच्छे से तैयारी कर सकते हैं. Origin of Species is written by Charles Darwin. Partition of Bengal took place in 1905. Suez Canal connects होती है Mediterranean Sea and Red Sea. Which poet was famous for मसनवी के लिए मशहूर शायर मीर हसन. मोहम्मद इकबाल्स फर्स्ट बुक इन पर्शियन इसरार खुदी. कोलोराडो इज अ रिवर विच फ्लोज इन. कोलोराडो रिवर है वो जो बहता है यूएसए में बहता है. कॉन्गो रिवर इज लोकेटेड इन. कॉन्गो रिवर जो है वो अफ्रीका में वाक़या है. द लाइस सोहानरा नेशनल पार्क इज लोकेटेड नियर बहावलपुर. द ग्रैंड ट्रंक रोड वाज बिल्ड बाय. इसे जीटी रोड भी कहते हैं. ये तामीर किया था शेर शाह सूरी ने. फैजल मूवमेंट वाज स्टार्टेड बाय Haji Shariatullah in Bengal in 1828. During the Mughal period, which one of the following traders first came to India? Answer A है Portuguese. The first Indian ruler to organize Hajj pilgrimage at the expense of the state was? Answer C Akbar. The greatest fort of Pakistan, that is Ranikot Fort, is situated near the city of Jamshoro. Gandhara art is related to Taxila. 1 pound per foot is equal to kilogram per meters 1.488. When was the first agreement signed on Siachen Glacier? In 1949. Buddhist emperor Ashoka belonged to which dynasty? Mauryan. State of Kashmir was purchased by Gulab Singh for 7.5 million. Shah Abdullah and Chaudhry Ghulam Abbas launched freedom movement in Kashmir, which resulted into the first battle for freedom fought in 1930. When American Congress appointed George Washington Commander-in-Chief of American Untrained Army in 1775. Name the first Muslim who was appointed as Hakam. Hakam Saad bin Muaz. Name the first person who declared his conversion to Islam emphatically. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala. Indian Council Act introduced in 1909. Quaid-e-Azam became the member of Legislative Council from Bombay in 1909. Delhi Darbar, King and Queen of British visit India. Partition of Bengal is in 1911. Bhutto stepped in as the President and civilian CMLA of Pakistan. 20th December 1971. Land forms announced by PPP origin. 1st March 1972. Who was Aminul Ummat Hazrat Abu Ubaidah bin Jarrah Raziyallahu Ta'ala anha. Which is the biggest freshwater lake in the world? Is Lake Superior. Which peninsula lies between the Black Sea and the Sea of Azov? Crimean. On the banks of which river is the city of London located? Answer B. Thames. Which is the largest country in the Arabian Peninsula? Option C. Saudi Arabia. The distance between the Earth and the Sun is smallest in the month of January. In how many time zones has the world been divided? Divided 24. Liverpool is situated on bank of river. Bank of river, Mersey River. Which is the longest river in the world? Nile is the longest river in the world. Name the eminent leader of Pakistan who in 1949 took over as the first governor of Punjab and later on became the president of Pakistan Muslim League. Answer A. Abdul Rab Nishtar. What do you understand by en route? En route on the way. Name the American president who had to resign when it became clear that he was about to be impeached and convicted by Congress. Answer C. Richard Nixon. Michelangelo was a famous artist. Where would you find the Sea of Galilee? In Israel. Syed Ahmad Shahid was martyred at Balakot in 1831. Urdu declared as official language in 1832. Which is the highest peak of Himalayas range in Pakistan? Answer B. Nanga Parbat. Who said these words? Man without sweat is either beast or god. Answer B. Aristotle. Who said a thing of beauty is joy forever? Answer A. John Keats. Who said man is a social animal? Aristotle. Nobel Prize was first awarded in the year in 1901. Where is the HQ of the European Economic Community? Option C. In Brussels.